RVing to hidden gem festivals, where fun meets quirkiness across America. Embark on an RV journey that veers off the beaten path and straight into the heart of America's most whimsical and lesser-known festivals. This isn't just about attending events, it's about discovering experiences so unique, they'll have you recounting stories for years to come. For those who crave adventure with a side of the unusual, these hidden gem festivals offer the perfect blend of fun, quirkiness, and unforgettable memories. So buckle up, as we take you on a tour of some of America's most delightful and offbeat gatherings that are sure to fill your RV trips with laughter, wonder, and a whole lot of, did that really just happen? 1. The Underwater Music Festival, Florida Keys, Florida. Dive into the surreal at the Underwater Music Festival, held annually in the crystal-clear waters of the Florida Keys. This submerged concert, complete with waterproof speakers, offers both divers and snorkelers a melody-filled experience alongside colorful marine life. It's not just an auditory feast, it's a conservation effort, raising awareness about coral reef protection. RV tips: the Florida Keys offer numerous RV parks. Book in advance, especially around festival times, to secure your waterfront spot. Enjoy the scenic overseas highway as you make your way to this aquatic adventure. 2. Ely Winter Festival, Ely, MN. Embrace the chill at the Ely Winter Festival, a celebration of snow, ice, and artistry in Minnesota's picturesque Northwoods. Marvel at intricate snow sculptures, partake in traditional winter activities, and warm up with local culinary delights. It's a winter wonderland that offers a cozy, communal vibe, perfect for families. RV tips: winter RVing requires preparation. Ensure your RV is winter-ready with proper insulation and heating. The festival offers a unique opportunity to experience the serene beauty of a snowy landscape from the comfort of your warm RV. 3. The Great Texas Mosquito Festival, Clute, Texas. Celebrate the state's unofficial bird at the Great Texas Mosquito Festival. This quirky event features fun runs, barbecue cook-offs, and a mosquito calling contest, all in honor of the pesky insect. It's an experience filled with humor, great food, and community spirit. RV tips: Texas summers are hot, so ensure your RV's cooling system is up to snuff. Local RV parks provide a great base to explore the festival and the surrounding Gulf Coast region. 4. National Hollering Contest, Spivey's Corner, NC. Experience the lost art of hollering at this unique festival, which pays homage to a form of communication used in rural areas before the advent of modern technology. Participants compete in various hollering contests, providing a day filled with laughter, history, and plenty of loud fun. RV tips: the rural setting offers peaceful RV camping options. Enjoy the scenic drives through North Carolina's countryside as you explore local Southern cuisine and hospitality. 5. Roswell UFO Festival, Roswell, New Mexico. Immerse yourself in the extraterrestrial at the Roswell UFO Festival. Commemorating the infamous 1947 UFO incident, this festival is a haven for enthusiasts with parades, alien costume contests, and lectures on the unexplained. It's a celebration of the curious and unexplained, set against the backdrop of the mysterious New Mexico desert. RV tips: desert camping is an experience unto itself. Ensure you're stocked with plenty of water and sunscreen. The wide open spaces offer stunning night skies, perfect for stargazing from the comfort of your RV. The benefits unpacked: unforgettable stories. Each festival offers a unique tale to tell, from dancing underwater to shouting your best holler. Cultural immersion. Dive deep into the local traditions and communities that make these festivals so special. Scenic routes. Traveling by RV to these festivals means the journey is as enriching as the destination, with America's landscapes unfolding before you. Family bonding. These festivals offer experiences that are fun for all ages, ensuring that everyone in the RV has something to look forward to. Budget-friendly fun. Attending these off-the-beaten-path festivals can be more cost-effective than their larger counterparts, allowing for more adventures per mile. In the world of RVing, it's not just about where you go, it's about what you discover along the way. These hidden gem festivals across America promise not just destinations, but journeys filled with laughter, wonder, and the kind of fun that's as quirky as it is unforgettable. So, are you ready to feel lucky for stumbling upon this guide? Pack up your RV, because adventure, and perhaps a bit of hollering, awaits.